We intend to issue subpoena do SECOM kina Mr. and Mrs. Diskaya para malinaw yung kanyang tinestify na may mga 17 congressmen na nakatanggap ng mga kickback. Importante yon kasi matatahi talaga at mapapalakas yung ebidensya do sa kanyang tinestify.
So dapat ma-invite po uli mag-asawang Diskaya?
Yes, nandiyan naman si Curly eh. Imbitahin din namin si Mrs. Diskaya at kung ano yung kanilang mai-contribute pa, no? Patungo doon sa kanilang nauna ng sinabi na may mga congressmen na involved. No?
So sir, itong investigation sa flood control anomaly, sa tingin nyo magtatagal pa o ilang hearing na lang po ito?
Well, I think pwede nang i-wrap up, at least yung flood control projects, yung GOS at saka substandard. Then we can segue to other, the last time we met with the SP and I think Senator Kiko and Senator Bam. Meron kaming kausap who offered mga mga civilian na who offered to help us scrutinize yung budget, Meron sila mga resource persons na nag-offer ng assistance. So we welcome and marami kaming na-discuss doon. Number one, alisin talaga namin yung unprogrammed fund, ang program appropriations, matitira lang yung sa foreign assisted. Of course, yung sa special purpose, yung contingent, yung mga quick reaction fund, hindi naman pwedeng alisin yon kasi paano kung mayroong calamity. Second, yung full transparency. Na-discuss na namin ito and we agreed with the Senate President, Senator Gatchalian, na hanggang sa BICAM, fully transparent. Hindi pa lang niya raw na-figure out how to go about it. But ang initial step is, hindi na pa pwedeng merong alien na papasok do sa disagreeing provisions. We will limit, for easier monitoring pati, we'll just limit ourselves to putting up a matrix o kaya just juxtapose lang yung House version against the Senate version, and we will confine or limit ourselves to synchronize, to reconcile the disagreeing provisions. Hindi na po pwede yung wala naman sa House version, wala naman sa Senate version, papasukan natin ng kung anong version. Wala na yon. Kasi that's the real intent or purpose of the bicameral conference, especially sa budget. Reconcile the disagreeing provisions. So at least along that line, nagkakasundo kami, and that's a good step para talaga maging transparent yung pagpasa natin ng budget all the way to the BICAM, all the way to the enrolled bill.